An AI solution in order to reduce time and effort of recruiter, because what happened, they need to send a lot of email to so many people and it's very time consuming. By the way, they need to send email to so many people, and after sending email they need to check reply as well, and on the basis of reply these people they schedule interview. But we can automate all this process. We can send email automatically. We need some human supervision, but we do not need to write email, and email could be sent automatically by the help of some Python function, and email reply of that email could be checked automatically by the help of AI agent. I will show each and every single thing in this demo. I will send email. I won't send any email by the way because email has been sent earlier. Now in this video I'm gonna check reply of that email. For example, I'm writing here check reply of particular email, and once I write this, reply of that email will be sent, and if reply will be positive, then our our AI agent is going to schedule the interview. But if reply won't be positive, then interview won't be scheduled. Let's see what's going to happen here right now. Okay, it is in the process. It is checking the reply. This is the reply of candidate, and this is the email which was sent earlier by the help of a Python function, and this is the reply to that email, and this reply will be analyzed by our AI agent. We can see reply is positive. Current CTC of this candidate is 100k, and expected CTC of this candidate is 500k, and notice period is not mentioned, but still according to algorithm reply is positive. We can change algorithm. On the basis of algorithm it will be analyzed and interview will be scheduled, but on the basis of my algorithm this reply is positive and interview should be scheduled, and interview will be scheduled. I know that. You can see these are some process which has been performed by our AI agent. Okay, now final email for interview has been sent, and it will be reflected. Okay, yeah, now it has been sent 100%, and we can check that email for interview. Let me check. Now this is the final email for interview. Although there's no Google Meet link, we can generate Google Meet link as well.